starting off this video on earthquakes and volcanodiscovery.com at 11:39 a.m. Central Standard Time on November 15th. And as you can see, we have 5 earthquakes right here. Look at this: South Indian Ocean 5.0, 4.7, 6.0, 4.5, 5.0. That's pretty severe right there. And I actually had to zoom way in to find out that they weren't like literally the same one. But I mean, they're all in the same location. And as we can see, we got a major one here. 4.9 being that big. I bet they downgraded that thing. And of course, we got a couple of them here. 5.6. I don't think it's going to let me select on the bigger one. I'm going to have to zoom in on that one. Let's see, 5.6, and come on, give it a me. Still not gonna let me do it. Dang it. It's not really letting me do it. I'm gonna have to go right in on it, folks. Jeez Louise. What a stinker. 5.6 and a 4.5. Okay. So they pretty much centered up right here, right near this conjunction of the 3 plates. They're getting bigger, folks. Now try to remember, when you have quakes here and here, this is a 4.6, you're going to end up getting them in the middle, and they're going to actually end up being bigger because these two are getting together, so it kind of increases in magnitude. So that's why we're starting to see more and more, and they're getting bigger and bigger. I mean, now, I will tell you this too, they're also downgrading the heck out of them, which is ridiculous. But, I mean, you can see this was major stuff. This right here is November 15th. This right here is within the last 24 hours. And as you can see, Indian Ocean, 6.0. That's at 10 kilometers. That's alarming to me because, I mean, wouldn't that be making tsunamis? I don't know. You tell me. That's what I would be thinking. At 10 kilometers, hitting 5.0 or more? I would think so. That's... Now, these right here, this is all magnitude 4 and larger. Okay? Come over to M3, you get a little bit better idea. Holy cow. Yeah. I've actually had somebody ask me, is this normal? No. This is not... Or in the words of Obama, this is the new norm. Yeah, kind of. But why is it the new norm? Well, planet's going through a lot of changes. Why is it going through a lot of changes? Think about it, folks. Nibiru, Wormwood, Planet X, the Anunnaki. This is what happens. It's all over in the Bible, talking about the seas turning to blood, fire, brimstone coming down out of the skies, you know, meteors, asteroids, landing in the ocean, landing on the land. It's, you know, the flood of Noah, when it grabs our north and south pole, flips them, and whoosh, yeah, the whole planet floods. That's not a lie. Raining for 40 days and 40 nights. I mean, have you guys not paid attention to windy.com with seeing the cloud cover and how it's just getting worse and we're getting into winter? Yeah, we could definitely be coming into that real soon. Okay, I found some form of a back channel, if you will, into it, and all it is the photos. But as you can see here, at LASCO C3, we've got 554, and then it jumps to 1018. So we're going to be looking at about almost 5 hours of missing data. And I'll tell you, this is actually quite annoying to sit here and try and watch and put together this way, instead of having it... Well, that's kind of interesting, isn't it? Instead of having it to where it's actually in a clip where I can actually go by it manually. Boy, talk about annoying. But I'm still trying to look, folks, because it's actually still down. I'm actually at I've actually had to come all the right here to LASCO themselves, and I put in for the images, and this is what it gives me for the images to look. Now I can go more here, and when I get to the more part like this, this is what it gives me here. So we've got 1325. This is LASCO C2, 1248, so we're looking at, you know, about 45 minutes of missing data there. There's stuff they don't want us to see. 1224, 1212. Let's see if they do another big old jump on us like that. I'm willing to bet that they do. 1148, 1136. Come on, let's get down to the 10. 1112, 1100, 1048. Now this is today. Looks like we had some kind of a pop right here. There's 1036. Oh, we might actually get a little more. Is that a pop or is that something sucking it off of the sun? Ooh. 1024, 10, so there's 2 frames missing. Well, it looks like something actually did come off, but they are really trying to hide it. Wow, I'm actually surprised that I found this one at least. They haven't spliced all the data out, so that's good. Let's see what we got going on here. 912, 848. So there's 2 clips missing. Right there. My goodness. Look at that. That's a nasty something there. Actually, if you look at this, it almost looks like an eye. Right there, doesn't it? Or like something is circling around right there. Like there might be something there. Ooh. Let me get that out of the way. Let's look at here. 836. Wow, they're actually leaving it up on this one. I'm impressed. Look at all of that. 812. 800. 18. Oh, this is actually quite nice. They've actually... Look at that. Right in the middle of it. Right there. What is that? 748. I'm actually impressed that they left it here. I'm quite happy to see it actually. That's great. Well, you saw it here first, folks. Before they even let the reveal happen, before they even show you that they're going to deny you, I actually found a way. Now, they already took it off of LASCO C3. This is LASCO C2. Look, you can kind of see it right there. Now watch, they'll be removing this. Oh! Hey there, little buddy. I love it. Oh, man, this takes a lot of work, folks. I've literally been... I kid you not, folks. I've not just been doing this for me, but I've been doing this for you guys. Literally for you guys. I actually downloaded a couple of files here I'm going to take a look at here in a little bit, and hopefully there's something there in some form of imagery where I can, like, video-wise, and I can move it along so y'all can see it. Wow, look at that. That's nice and round on that left side, isn't it? Wow, and they left it there. That's what's amazing. That's what I'm loving about so much. I'm wondering what's on C3 that they didn't want us to see it, where they actually like already completely spliced it out. I don't know. Oh, look, here's another one of those, like, could be the corner of the cube, the little board cube, or maybe it's actually a V shape. Who knows? But it looks like there's another one like right here, or maybe it is a cube and there's like different angles of it. This is getting pretty interesting, folks, to say the very least. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Alright, well, if I can find actual a clip where it's actually going sideways, where we can actually move it along and actually watch what happens, I'll definitely post it. But yeah, I've been having some difficult times. I mean, this right here, this is from 810, and I did want to show everybody this. This is actually pretty interesting here. Watch this. I'm gonna go slower with this, that way we can just all kind of watch it together. Watch all the stuff that happens here. Look at this. It's going around. What's it going around? This little planet right here, or star, if you will. You can see it right here. There it is. Boop. Pokes out from behind it. You can keep on watching. Look at that. Yeah. There she be. And then look at all these little flashes you got. Now, I believe this is the one actually. Oh, yeah. Right here. Look at this. Comet. And they've... What are they? Oh, there it is. They try to block it, but then it just keeps coming out. This is on August 10th. Coming right out, and it goes right into the sun. It's actually pretty neat, but do you guys see all the extra stuff going on? I do. This thing gets really weird looking. It's very, very nice to see. So anyways, I will keep you guys updated. Still trying, guys. Okay, believe it or not, I tried it again. I was over here at the LASCO instrument, and it would only let me do images. I finally clicked on the movies, and bam, it brought me right to it. So let's see what all the fuss is about here. It is an actual CME. We actually did have a nice little release over here on the western limb, and this is what's going to be coming around at us. So yeah, that's a nice little ejection there coming off. Not really seeing much of anything else though. So let's now this was as of yesterday. Ooh, did you see that bleep over here? That kind of like, no, I don't want you to see. Let's see, now we're getting into today. This is fresh for today. Ooh, another one. Oh, was that from today and it started? Oh, it was from today. Okay, sorry, I got confused for a minute, folks. Let's go up and see if we can take a look at C3. Hopefully C3 will actually let us do the same thing and we can actually take a look. Oh, yes it is. Yes. Because they were definitely trying to hide this one. Alright, let's go to 86. Alright, slow this down to 7 so that we can all watch and see what's happening. Oh, you see that little buddy right there by the disc? I'll go back there and take another peek at him. There's a bunch of little buddies in here. My goodness. Alright, let's go ahead and stop her out. Oh, hey there, fella. And let's go right here. And let's go ahead and start popping over here. There we go. There's one there. Yeah, they're not. I don't know why all of a sudden Lask going down and they wouldn't let me go in from the regular direction, the regular page, which is their direct link to it. They definitely have that shut down. They're trying to shut everything down. Oh, there's another one up here. I even thought I saw one, right? Well, maybe not. Could be, but who knows? But there's a few of them on here. Boy, they're really trying to make it difficult, aren't they, folks? Goodness. Oh, there's a Borg cube. Oh, what just crossed the path there? Boy, did that just miss Earth or what? What is that? Is that a comet? Is that a... Oh, one of these little guys up here? Who knows? But they're definitely trying to choke it down. Trying to make buffers and screwing up connections. Like if you have certain ways of getting in, they try to shut it down. That's not fun. So... yeah, and this is one of the ones that we saw earlier, how it was like 4 different directions. That's really crazy to see. I've never seen that before. Huh. So, yeah. Looks like I might have found another way in. Hopefully it'll, ooh, how you doing, buddy? Looks like I found a way. Woo, that's good. I'm excited now. That's great. So, I'll keep you guys up to date and let you know if there's anything worthwhile. You guys stay safe. Alright, love ya. Okay, this one actually lets me load this one here, this different angstrom, which I'm actually glad that it did. This is the EIT 284 angstroms. Look at the size of the coronal hole here. This is a lot of solar winds coming at us. No wonder we're getting plasma and we're going to be getting smacked. This makes sense, folks. This makes sense. My goodness gracious. I mean, look at the size of that thing. Now this only lets me do 4 at a time, but you can definitely see it there. Oy. Yeah, this will be a bumpy ride for the next few days. Alright, I know I said love you, bye, but I just hit pause and I something just got me curious to go check, and I'm glad I did. So, my next final goodbye, folks, will be for real. I'll check a couple other things. I'm going to end it here, folks. The Beaver Moon, not making it up, lunar eclipse on November 19th will be the longest of the century. Here are its stages and explained. Basically, yeah, the next eclipse of the moon will greet early risers before dawn on Friday morning, November 19th. So it's going to be early in the morning. Okay. Excuse me. The last one was on May 26th. It's going to be the longest lunar eclipse in 580 years. Lasting 3 hours and 28 minutes and 23 seconds, being the longest of the century. It'll be 97.4% complete lunar eclipse. But guess what happens on December 4th? Let's not forget, December 24th. Hang on. Pardon me. Next solar eclipse is December 4th. Yeah, on the South Pole. So everybody stay safe. Be ready. This is going to be a crazy week. Love y'all.